Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have our unboxing from Gramma in a box. This is the August box. Got some stuff on top here. Under the sea is the theme. Has the contents of the box on the back and then our recipes. So we have clams on coral. Tells you the ingredients. Then we have the cookie project. And there used to be 3 projects, now there's only 2 and you get more cookies. So here's their social media, which I will link below. Raylan is taking everything apart. And then a referral program, which I will also link below. Cool. So she grabbed the melting chocolates. Raylan, stop, honey. Some wafers.
The what?
Yeah, ooh, we got 4 icing colors. We used to only get 3, so now we have a peach, a yellow, a green, and a blue. Ooh, some crispy treats. Hold on. Some fish. Some clam shells. Starfish. Mermaid tails. I don't think we've got mermaid tails before. Ooh, and a little toy. Here's all the little goodies. There's some eyeballs, candy, sprinkles, some more cookies. She also gives you some parchment paper for your projects. Here's the Crispies. And we got a little fishy guy. How cute. Alright, so let's get to making our projects. So for the first project, you have some melting chocolates, and there's a couple different colors. Put those in the microwave for 30 seconds, then stirred it, returned it to the microwave for another 30 seconds, and then stirred it, and everything's completely melted. Makes a very pale, kind of like a peachy color. And you're going to spread some of that. You don't need much inside the cookie. I did dip the other end of the cookie so I can kind of prop it open. And then there's little chocolate balls that you can put in the middle that helps prop it open. You can also add some sprinkles inside there too if you wanted to make it look a little more textured. And then you put a little bit of the chocolate on the eyeball and set that on top of the cookie. Much easier if you do it with a toothpick, or I just started putting little dabs of chocolate on top of the cookie. I found that was the easiest for the kids to do. And then once you've made them all, with the leftover chocolate, you drop the Crispies in there and give that a really good mix until everything is coated. And then you could divide that up and kind of press little spoonfuls down and then set one of the clams on top of it. And after about 15 minutes or so, it will completely harden. That way you can handle them and pick them up. And these are really good. This is more of what I like to eat. I don't like too much sweetness, so that was perfect for me. And then our cookies. Raylan still just wants to squeeze the entire tube of icing on a single cookie. That's how Jackson used to be. He's still kind of like that, but I feel like last time they tried a little bit more to decorate, but sometimes they're just so excited. They're like, let's hurry up and get this done so we can eat our cookies. But they love getting this box. They're always so excited. So I only did 1 cookie this time. I outlined the starfish in a couple different colors and added some sprinkles to the top and let them design the rest. And then anytime we have leftover sprinkles, we keep them because on Sunday mornings I normally make pancakes and they like adding sprinkles into it so it looks a little bit more exciting. So that's what we use our leftover sprinkles for. And I love how much icing Raylan puts on it, but then when I tell her to put sprinkles on, she puts like 3 sprinkles on there. She makes me laugh. So once we finished up with our cookies, I'll show you what our projects looked like when they were done. So here's a couple cookies. You tell Jackson's getting a little bit better, and look how much icing. There's like 2 inches tall of icing on there. Oh, it's so cute. That one was Jackson's too. And they never want a spoon or anything to like spread the icing out. They're so funny. And here's the little clams. I think I ate most of these to myself. They're so good. So that is our projects for this month. If you guys want to sign up for this month's box or next month's, make sure you check out the description box below. You have all the information about how to sign up for Gramma in a Box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.